Hey everybody, I'm really excited to show you our new Orgonite pyramids. These are something people have been asking us about for a long time. If you've seen my other videos, you know that I love pyramids. I've even slept under one before that I've built for many months and worn one on my head and used one in demos. Now, one thing about the generator, it's so versatile, and this is the RAD 2400 Orgone Generator, that many different inputs, trends, energies can be used in connection with the generator. But people kept asking, and we decided to make some for you of the Orgonite pyramids. Obviously, they're the only ones we endorse, coming from the inventor of Orgonite and the Orgone Generator. So basically, they're built fully for function, though I think they look really cool. There's a lot of Orgonite pyramids on the market, and a lot of them are just decorative paperweights. Some are built better than others with a lot of fine iron powder, but you're still paying for that aesthetic appeal. I think these are very pleasing to the eye, though we didn't add in a bunch of extra jazz or color or church it up. That stuff's cool, but ultimately it comes down to a clean, even mix of fine iron powder and epoxy, and the finer the better, and an even mix throughout. So here you have the extra large, medium, and small. We also have some sets. I'll be going through demos with those later. I just kind of wanted to show you what these were about, how they look, how they can be used, a couple of uses. And with the sets, they'll come with one small pyramid as what we call the anchor, which is basically a link, so you can set up grids and stuff like that as linked to your generator. As I said, this is the RAD 2400. I'll just do a couple demos here, and we'll look at different uses for the pyramids. So the RAD 2400, plug it in, turn it on. By the way, this when you get a new generator, except for a rare exception, sometimes if we see something, we'll take this off to make sure it's exactly perfect condition. But you can take this off and you'll have a brand new clean steel plate. Traditionally in radionics, this would be called a well plate. A lot of people ask me, where do I put the target? Where do I put the trend? Where do I put this picture? Basically, anywhere on and around the device can be used as a place to energize your target, trend, or operation as a whole, as long as you define it that way. So these two dials are like the JU1000. You have one with 6 preset frequencies and one that goes 0 to 500, and the 100 equals 500. So that's a basic math translation. If you want to go all the way right and then set the frequency to, let's say, approximately 500 or approximately 250, you got it right there. All right, so with the pyramids, let's say you had a grid. The grids will come where there's 4 uniform sizes, like 4 large, 4 extra large, and you can have the anchor that comes with it on your device or on the output pipe, and then your pyramids spread throughout a room or throughout the house. And we believe that the pyramids have innate energetic properties, as well as the super efficient orgone accumulating, which we believe occurs based on the fine iron powder combined with the epoxy, a condensation of Wilhelm Reich's orgone accumulator. And then you have the Orgone Generator, which is energetically linked. Think of like a quantum entanglement to the pyramids. So let's say you have these spread around your house. You can also have your pendants. You'll notice they look almost exactly the same. One on your generator, one with you. And then with your pyramids, you can set up different trends. Let's say you've got one in the kitchen. You can energize a fruit plate here. Let's say you've got some manifestations you've been working on. You can set another here. You can set this one in the center of a room, for example. And we believe, unlike regular knockoff orgone pyramids, which simply accumulate orgone, because these are linked to the generator, that one's really heavy. It's a few pounds. It's and you know, they're handmade, so you're gonna have little nicks here and there. We do it as best we can, but there will be the occasional bubble or something like that, so keep that in mind. It is handmade here in the USA. Regular orgone pyramids just accumulate orgone, and we believe with the generator linked, it's an ongoing energizing of anything you set it near, on top of, or around, and that the pyramid will radiate orgone energy into the room. So there you have it, the RAD 2400. You've got your classic pendant pair, small pyramid. In the case of a set, this would be an anchor, and a medium. Pricing, weights, and sizes are on our site, but you get the idea. A large and an extra large. We'll see. We may keep these going. People have really responded well to them so far. At the time of recording, they're being back ordered, though we'll have them all ready by Christmas for another couple hundred or so, and maybe we'll keep them going, keep them in production. But okay, I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.